there, and welcome to this new video where I'll be teaching you the basics of casino, also known as Cuban salsa. Throughout this tutorial, I'll be guiding you from the fundamental steps to the basic turns for both leads and follows. Whether you're a complete beginner or you're looking to refine your skills, this is the perfect place to start. Stay till the end, because by the end of this video, you will have a solid foundation to continue your journey into the Cuban salsa world. If you're ready to learn, let's get started. Let's start with our first basic. For this step, we're gonna march in our place, counting the 3 steps of salsa, okay? So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can add the arms like this. 1, 2, 3, side to side from the shoulders, from the ribs. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ladies, we're gonna start with our right. Guys, we're gonna start with our left. Ladies, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Leads, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Let's do it with music. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Okay, next step. For Paso the song, we're gonna do the same thing that we were doing, the basic that we did before, but we're gonna open a little bit. So, for the leads, we're gonna do 1, 2, and the 3, you're gonna open it. 3, okay? And then you close. 1, 2, and the 3 you open. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Same thing for the follows, but we're gonna open with our right to the side. So you do 1, 2, 3, and you open to the right and close. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You add the arms and the torso. 1, 2, 3, and maybe you move a little bit your hip. Just release it. 3, 1, 2, 3, but it's more the torso, okay? Just remember, you open for one side or to the other one, depending if you're lead or follow. Okay, let's do it with music. And 1, 2, and 1, 2, open. Close and open, close and open. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now let's do cross back step. For this step, we're just gonna cross back when we open the leg, okay? Now, in this case, leads, we're gonna start with the right, and follows, we're gonna start with the left. So you open 1, 2, you mark here, and then you close. I'm just opening a little bit and crossing. You cross back a little bit. 1, you change the weight, and then you close. 1, you change the weight, and then you close. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, you're gonna turn a little bit when you're closing. So look, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. You just have to change your weight going a little bit forward so you can make this. So look, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and you go with the flow, with the momentum when you close. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and you can go a little bit farther. All the way, all the way. Let's do it like this. All the way, all the way, all the way. Okay? Let's try it with music. 1, 2, and cross and close. Cross and close. Cross and all the way. Cross and close and cross and. Okay. Now, let's do forward and back. For this step, leads, we're gonna go forward with our right, and follows, we're gonna go forwards with our left, okay? In this case, for this example, we're gonna start with our left, okay? So, we're gonna open, forward, 1, you change the weight, you mark, and you close, okay? And then you change the leg and open with the other one back and close. So forward and close, forward and close. In every step, you have to lift a little bit your feet, okay? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do the other one. Right, forward, 1, 2, 3, and back with the left. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? When you're dancing, you can go a little bit farther. Okay, like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you go a little bit farther. Then just closing like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now let's do it with music. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and forward and back, and forward and back. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Relax your shoulders. Forward and back, and forward and back. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Okay, now let's do our first turn. Woo! Okay, for our first turn, we're gonna make the turn in 3 steps, and then we're gonna go back to come back to our basic, okay? So, we're gonna do it with our right for this example, and look, you are in your basic here, and when you make the turn is when you go forward, so you're gonna go 1, you change your front, and look how my step is kind of thinking about going to the side, like turning, right? So you step here, and then you close, turning, okay? And then you just go back with your other leg. Okay, let's do it again. You go forward, 1, you turn 2, then you close at 3, and then you open with the other leg. Remember, we're doing back with this leg now, okay? Now, for the follows, it's the same thing, but we are going forward with our left, okay? So you go forward, 1, 2, 3. This is our basic. 1, 2, 3. And for the turn, you do 1 with your left. You change your front with your right, and then you close with your left, and then you go back with the right one as usual. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Look how I'm going forward and then back. I stay here. 1, 2, same spot. You close, and then you go back and close. Again, 1, 2, 3. Back and close, okay? Now let's do it with music, but we're gonna do this. 1 basic, 1 turn, 1 basic, 1 turn. We're gonna start with the basic. Remember which leg you're starting. You start with the basic. I'm gonna count it for you so you can do it with me, and then I'm gonna say turn. So you go 1, 2, 3, and then you go back with the other leg. 1, 2, close. Another basic. Basic and turn, okay? Turn, basics, okay? Let's do it. 5, 6, basic, and forward, turn. 1, 2, 3, back, basic, and turn. 1, 2, close, back, basic. Again, turn. 1, 2, close, back, forward. Okay. If this tutorial is going too fast for you, or it's a little bit advanced than you thought, maybe you can go to other video that I have where I teach the 5 basic steps you need to know to start dancing salsa from 0 for total beginners. I explain a little bit more the basics in an easier way, so maybe you can go to that video, and then when you finish with that one, you can come back. I'm gonna put the link in the description box, or maybe here, so you can click on it. Okay, let's do our next turn, which is called Vacilate. Okay, so this turn, it's gonna be to the other side. And remember, the other one was in 3 steps. In this one, we're gonna take longer, but just remember this. When you go forward, the sensation for this turn is that you're kind of bouncing here. You go here and then whoop. Okay? 1, 2, open, and then with the other leg you open to the back, you turn in the same spot you mark, and then you close. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, open and close, and you do the turn in the whole basic. Okay, follows 1, 2, 3. Now with the right, 1, 2, close. Follows left and close, right, turn, close. Leads, right and open, left and close. Again, leads, right and close, left and close. Okay, let's do it with music. Basic, Vacilate. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Forward and back. Vacilate. 3, 1, 2, 3. Vacilate. 1, 2, close, open, close. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, remember we have turn and we have vacilate. Both are turns, but the turn is in 3 steps and vacilate is the whole 6 steps, okay? So let's do it just so you can see the difference. For this example, we're gonna do it with our left, okay? So, basic, let's do turn, and it's this way. 1, 2, 3, and we finish. This is turn, back, and close. Now, vacilate, we are in our basic, same thing, and it's to the other side, vacilate. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, close, okay? Each of them is to different sides. Well, let's make a review. Follow along with me. Don't forget to subscribe if this video has been helpful to you so you can keep learning and dancing with Gali. Says and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Paso de son. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, open, 1, 2, open, 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 open. Okay, now let's cross back. 7 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Forward and back. Forward, back. Forward, back. Forward, turn. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Basic, vacilate. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn. 1, 2, 3. Vacilate. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Cross back. And 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Paso de son. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's cross back and cross. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All the way. And forward. Forward and back. Forward. Turn. Turn and back. Basic. Vacilate. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Basic. Turn. 1, 2, 3. Vacilate. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Forward. Cross back. Cross back. And forward. Turn. Vacilate. Forward. Now, I need to tell you that there's a lot of mistakes that most of beginners make. So please make sure that you're not making those mistakes, and I'm gonna give you the video where I explain how to fix those mistakes. I'm gonna put the link in the description box so you can go to check those mistakes to see how to fix them, and then you continue with the basics so you can have a solid foundation and look like a pro. Remember, you can repeat this video as many times as you want so you can master these basics. I hope this video was helpful to you, that you were able to have fun. Thank you for watching. My name is Gali and this is Dancing with Gali. Don't forget to subscribe, to share, and to comment.